Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover some of the most curious and fascinating facts from places around the world. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the bustling cities of Asia, our planet is a treasure trove of wonders, often hidden in plain sight. Join me as we delve into the realms of geography, history, and science to unearth the extraordinary stories behind these intriguing facts. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and diversity of our planet and the remarkable tales it has to tell. Get ready to expand your knowledge and ignite your curiosity as we embark on this captivating exploration of our world's most fascinating quirks. Stay tuned to learn something new and exciting. The Great Wall of China, a monumental feat of engineering, stretches for thousands of miles across the Chinese landscape. For centuries, a popular myth has persisted that this man-made marvel is the only human-made structure visible from space. The truth, however, is a bit more nuanced. While the Great Wall is undoubtedly vast, its width, averaging around 20 feet, makes it incredibly difficult to discern from such a distance. Astronauts have confirmed that from low Earth orbit, the Great Wall is indeed very difficult to see with the naked eye. Its visibility is further hampered by its composition of stone and earth, which blend into the surrounding terrain. So, while the Great Wall may not be as easily spotted from space as once believed, its grandeur and historical significance remain undiminished. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and a powerful symbol of Chinese culture and history. Saudi Arabia, a vast kingdom on the Arabian Peninsula, evokes images of sweeping deserts, towering sand dunes, and an unforgiving sun. This land of extremes is also unique for a surprising reason. It lacks any permanent rivers. The absence of rivers in Saudi Arabia is a direct result of its arid climate and unique geological formations. With minimal rainfall and scorching temperatures, water sources are primarily limited to underground aquifers and occasional oases. These oases, scattered across the desert landscape, serve as vital lifelines for both people and wildlife. They are a testament to the resilience of life, even in the harshest of environments. Despite the lack of permanent rivers, Saudi Arabia has developed innovative methods to manage its scarce water resources. From desalination plants to ancient water harvesting techniques, the kingdom has adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Canada, a land of towering mountains, vast forests, and sparkling lakes, holds a surprising geographical distinction. It boasts the longest coastline in the world. Stretching over 151,000 miles, Canada's coastline is longer than a journey around the Earth's equator 4 times. This immense coastline encompasses a diverse range of environments, from the rugged shores of the Atlantic to the icy fjords of the Arctic. It is home to a rich array of marine life, including whales, seals, and countless species of fish. Canada's vast coastline has shaped its history, culture, and economy. From the early European explorers who first charted its shores to the coastal communities that rely on fishing and tourism, the sea has played a pivotal role in shaping the Canadian identity. Protecting this invaluable natural heritage is a top priority for Canada. Through marine conservation efforts and sustainable practices, the country is working to ensure the health and vitality of its coastline for generations to come. Chapter 4. The Eiffel Tower's Summer Growth Spurt. The Eiffel Tower, Paris's iconic iron lattice tower, is a marvel of 19th century engineering. But did you know that this towering structure experiences a peculiar phenomenon? During the summer months, the Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters taller. This intriguing phenomenon is due to thermal expansion. As temperatures rise, the iron structure absorbs heat, causing its molecules to move faster and spread slightly apart. This expansion, though seemingly small, is enough to cause a noticeable change in the tower's height. Conversely, during the winter months, the Eiffel Tower contracts slightly as temperatures drop. This constant expansion and contraction are carefully monitored by engineers to ensure the tower's structural integrity. The Eiffel Tower's thermal expansion is a fascinating example of how even seemingly inanimate objects can be affected by the forces of nature. It's a reminder that our world is full of hidden wonders, waiting to be discovered. Chapter 5. Australia, a continent outsizing the moon. Australia, the land of kangaroos, koalas, and the outback, is known for its vast size. But few realize just how expansive this island continent truly is, Prepare to be amazed. Australia is wider than the moon. To put this into perspective, the diameter of the moon is approximately 3,474 kilometers. Australia, at its widest point, stretches over 4,000 kilometers from east to west. That means you could comfortably fit the entire moon within Australia's borders with room to spare. This immense size has shaped Australia's unique biodiversity, with a wide range of ecosystems, from lush rainforests to arid deserts. It's a land of contrasts, where ancient Aboriginal culture meets modern cosmopolitan cities. So, the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember that a continent even larger lies beneath your feet. Australia, a land of wonder and diversity, continues to captivate and inspire with its sheer scale and natural splendor. Chapter 6. The 38-Minute War. History is replete with tales of epic battles and protracted conflicts, but tucked away in the annals of time is a war of remarkably short duration, the Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896. This brief but decisive conflict holds the record for the shortest war in history, lasting a mere 38 minutes. The conflict arose from a dispute over the succession to the throne of the Zanzibar Sultanate. When the pro-British Sultan died, his cousin, Khalid bin Bargash, seized power, defying British demands to relinquish control. In response, British warships stationed in the harbor opened fire on the Sultan's palace and coastal defenses. The bombardment lasted just 38 minutes before Khalid's forces were overwhelmed, and he fled into exile. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, though brief, highlights the complexities of colonial history and the swiftness with which power could shift in the late 19th century. It serves as a reminder that even the most seemingly insignificant events can have lasting historical repercussions. Chapter 7. Russia, Dwarfing a Dwarf Planet. Russia, the world's largest country by landmass, spans 11 time zones and encompasses a vast array of landscapes, from frozen tundra to soaring mountains. Its sheer size is difficult to comprehend, but here's a startling comparison. Russia's surface area is larger than that of Pluto. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its diminished status, Pluto still boasts an impressive surface area of over 16.6 million square kilometers. Russia, however, dwarfs even this celestial body, covering a staggering 17.1 million square kilometers. That's larger than the entire continent of Antarctica. Russia's vastness is a testament to the incredible diversity of our planet and the sheer scale of its geographical wonders. Chapter 8. The Depths of the Dead Sea. Nestled between Israel and Jordan lies the Dead Sea, known for its extreme salinity and being the lowest point on Earth. Its salt concentration is nearly 10 times that of the ocean. The Dead Sea has historical and cultural significance. Today it faces environmental challenges. Efforts are underway to preserve this natural wonder. Chapter 9. Africa, a Continent of Hemispheres. Africa, the world's second-largest continent, is a land of breathtaking diversity, from the Sahara Desert's rolling sand dunes to the Serengeti's teeming wildlife. But Africa also holds a unique geographical distinction. It's the only continent that spans all 4 hemispheres. The equator, which divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres, runs almost directly through the middle of Africa. Similarly, the prime meridian, which separates the eastern and western hemispheres, passes through several African countries. This unique positioning gives Africa a remarkable range of climates and ecosystems. From the Mediterranean climate of North Africa to the lush rainforests of Central Africa and the savannas of the South, Africa is a continent of contrasts. Africa's geographical diversity is reflected in its rich cultural tapestry. Home to over 2,000 languages and a vast array of ethnic groups, Africa is a continent brimming with history, tradition, and human resilience. Chapter 10. Antarctica, a Paradox of Ice and Aridity. Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is a land of extremes. Covered in a vast ice sheet, it holds the record for the coldest, windiest, and driest place on Earth. The driest place on Earth is a continent covered in ice. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica is home to penguins, seals, and seabirds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these curious facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content from around the world. Our planet is full of surprises, and we're passionate about sharing them with you. From the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans, there's always something new and exciting to discover. So join us again soon as we continue our exploration of this incredible planet we call home. See you next time.